Hey everybody, this is Robert Green from Battery Powered Games with a quick Project 7 update. Once again, Project 7 is a game we're currently prototyping for Windows, Android, and iPhone using bullet physics, BatteryTech, Lua, and it's going to be rendered all with shaders. So I'm about to run it. Once again, today the updates are fix some of the line rendering so you can grab objects and now it draws nice little lines for them. And I added zoom capability, which I will show both on Windows and on Android right now. And right now I'm just waiting for the launch to come up. Should be any second, except there's a bunch of stuff I must have changed. Hopefully it compiles, or I will have to stop and remake the video, which is no fun for me. So yeah, I just mapped out the mouse wheel for the Windows build and made that so it zooms in and out, just using the eye vector of the camera to just kind of move the camera position in or out of that vector. And then I just kind of implemented a quick pinch zoom on Android. Really wasn't very hard to do. It took about 20 minutes. And seems to be working well, except that when you're closer to the ground it zooms a lot. It feels like it zooms faster, and when you're further away it feels slower. So there's certainly not a perfect linear relationship there as far as perception goes. Okay, so here we go with the game. This might be one of the last builds where I have blocks falling out of the sky, because we're actually going to start scripting pretty soon here. But once again, here's the kind of camera work. You can move and pan around, grab something. Here's a nice little line. He's going to follow that line. We're going to make this guy follow this line. And if I want to zoom out a little bit, got that, so I can kind of pop in and out here and move around and do that. So, you know, it's very crude controls because this, once again, is a raw prototype. There is no game logic in here yet. I'm just testing control systems and seeing how things are going to work. So just to show you on Android really quick, I will get it running on my phone here. This is a Samsung Galaxy S. So it's going to be kind of hard to hold the phone and do it, but there you go. There's the same game running. I can do this. I can zoom in and out with pinch zoom. It works really nicely. Hand the camera, grab some guys, tell them where to go. Guys are going there. Look around. I put a really simple directional light shader on here. Don't even know if I implemented it right. But here we'll zoom back out, move around, and we can twist the world and all that. So yeah, it works really well. As far as controls go, I'm not too concerned. I might do something where it's you have to use 2 fingers like this to move instead of just one, because I think that might actually be a little easier. Because one thing I found that frustrates me is that when I miss clicking on one of the blocks to move them, the world moves or the camera moves, and I don't like that. I want to explicitly move it, or I want to quickly be able to try again without screwing up my view. So yeah, with all these blocks on here, it looks like on this processor, bullets running at about a 7 millisecond update, and that's pretty good. Because I don't think this is pretty much maxed out. I don't think we'll ever have this many blocks interacting. A lot of them will be, probably not me sleeping, but this is a lot of triangles for the triangle mesh and a lot of blocks down. So it's a pretty good proof of concept that the performance will be there that we need. So pretty happy about that. But alright, so yeah, next step is onto scripting and some game configuration and turn this into an actual playable game. So thanks for watching. See you soon.